Professional swaddler here.
Would anyone like some champagne? No. Yes, 3 glasses. Mom, it's not even much. If you prefer, I'll make it in the
So you tuck one arm in, then the other one.
I do one arm first.
Perfect for breastfeeding.
Now she's mad.
Robert's doing that weird thing. Feeding? Normal for hands.
Alright, so now the hands are down. So we're done with that. So this next wrap, this is what they really like at the end.
I think we need to get you to the hospital.
Kind of like Christmas. Oh yeah, kind of like Christmas. You got nice big blankets, yes you do.
Is no one going to tell me?
This is a lamp from some outrage money on Wilson. Insurance cutting pools back. The whole world of angry patients, creditors.
You gonna be able to breathe in there?
Oh yeah. Now.
Say that is your
I'm
final
all
product.
done.
There you go.
What is?
What do you think, Miss Michaela? You look at me
like a
like you people
papoose.
are crazy.
A babushka. A glowworm.
A glowworm. That's exactly what you look like. A little glowworm.